Hey guys, good morning. It's Angelo Christian Financial, your direct nationwide lender where America goes for funding. Call or text my office, 832-431-6331. Today we're talking about hard money, no-doc loans. You know, what's the purpose of a hard money loan? Why do people get it? So I want to kind of talk about that because it's a growing market. It's been growing for the last decade, and it's very powerful because you literally can do asset-based lending. You're not underwriting on the credit, you're not underwriting on the financials. You can underwrite on the future cash flow, the future pro forma of the property. Many different examples of why people use hard money bridge loans is it's a conduit. It's like a bridge. It takes you to point A to point B. You don't stay on the loan for 30 years like a long-term loan. A lot of people use hard money for rehab loans, construction loans, fix and flip, cash out refinance. If your credit's not the best, you know, or the property's not fixed up and needs money for repairs, people use these short-term loans. So again, they're higher interest rates, usually, you know, 12 to 15% rates. The closing costs are high, 5-6%. But that's not the big picture. The big picture is what are you going to do with the property, how much equity is in the property, and then once you get that fixed up, you can refinance to a long-term low-rate loan. So it's really cool because it doesn't have credit requirements in most cases. It doesn't have income requirements, and you know, it just lends off of the asset. So it's very powerful. So if you want more information about, you know, hard money lending, we offer these programs. Call or text Angelo. I'd love to hear from you. 832-431-6331. Let's make it happen, guys.